If you're running a business in Houston, you know the deal. Your physical records, all those contracts, client files, financial statements, they're the lifeblood of your company, right? But let's be real, they're also a massive headache. They eat up expensive office space, and just keeping them secure, that's a constant worry. Well, today, we're going to dig into a much, much better way to handle all of it. So let's just pause here for a second and think about this question. Are your business records actually secure, or are they just stored? There's a huge difference. Secure means they're protected, they're tracked, you can audit them. Stored just means they're piled up in some boxes somewhere, taking up space and, honestly, silently adding a ton of risk to your business every single day. The gap between those two things, it's massive. All right, so let's talk about the records management challenge. And this is something businesses everywhere face. You've got real estate costs just going through the roof, making that back room full of files super expensive. You've got all this valuable space being eaten up by filing cabinets. And then there's the big one, the huge compliance and security risks if any of that stuff isn't handled just right. Okay, I really like how this breaks it down. You've got two roads you can go down. There's the old way, which is, let's face it, a total mess. You're juggling different companies for moving, for storage, for shredding. It's just chaotic. It's a recipe for disruption and a whole lot of risk. But then you've got the Roadrunner way. And look at that difference. One expert partner, one seamless transition, and ironclad security from your office all the way to their archive. It's a no-brainer, really.
And this is the secret sauce, right? Roadrunner isn't just a moving company that decided to store some boxes on the side. They bring two crucial skills to the table: deep, deep knowledge of moving logistics, combined with specialized secure records management. You're not just hiring a mover, you are hiring a specialist in protecting your information.
Okay, so what does this actually mean for your business on a day-to-day basis? Well, first off, the physical move of your records, it's totally seamless. Second, and this is huge, there's almost zero disruption to your business. Your team can just keep on working. And third, you get this amazing, comprehensive project management that just handles every single detail, so you don't have to. And because their process is so integrated, it leads us to what is, honestly, the most critical part of all of this: the ironclad chain of custody. We're talking about an unbreakable, auditable trail for every single document you own. So what exactly is a chain of custody? Well, think of it like this. It's the official, documented story of your records. It shows who had them, when they had them, and where they were every step of the way. And for industries like law or healthcare, this isn't just a nice to have. It is an absolute, non-negotiable requirement. And here's how they build that ironclad process. It all starts with secure packing and tracking. The moment they pack a box, it gets a unique barcode. Bam! It's now trackable from your office to its final shelf. Next, the transport itself is completely secure and auditable, guaranteeing privacy. And maybe most importantly, the people handling your sensitive documents are thoroughly vetted, highly trained professionals. Your info is protected end to end.
Okay, so we've talked about the journey. Now let's talk about the destination. We're moving on to secure and compliant storage, because where your records end up is just as important as how they got there. And just look at this. This image really says it all. This is not just some warehouse. This is a secure archive, a fortress, really, for your most vital documents. It's an environment that's been designed from the ground up for one purpose: to protect and preserve what's inside. So let's get into the specifics of their secure Houston facility. You've got secure climate-controlled environments, so your paper and other media won't degrade over time. Their inventory control system is super advanced, which means when you need a file, you get it fast. They've even got specialized storage for things like tapes, x-rays, or microfilm. And they handle the entire life cycle of your information, from storage right through to its secure final destruction. All right, let's switch gears a bit, because when it comes to records management, one size fits all just doesn't cut it. And this is where Roadrunner really shines. They have tailored solutions specifically for key Houston industries. So if you're in the legal field, you know it's all about that chain of custody. We're talking contracts, case documents, sensitive media. Managing that stuff securely isn't just a good idea, it's absolutely non-negotiable. Moving on to healthcare. Here, it's all about protecting sensitive patient files. You have to ensure those records are managed and stored in a totally secure, compliant way. From the moment they're stored to the moment they're safely destroyed, there can be no mistakes. And in Houston, you can't forget the energy sector. Think about it. Critical land files, well logs, pipeline files,
These documents are incredibly high value, sometimes even irreplaceable. Managing them correctly isn't just about storage, it's about reducing risk and making your operations more efficient. And what about finance and banking? Well, here, security is everything, full stop. You're dealing with private client documents, transaction statements. Having an ironclad process to store and manage that information is your #1 defense against a data breach that could be absolutely catastrophic. So let's pull it all together. What is the Roadrunner advantage? It's simple, really. It's an integrated, seamless process. It's an ironclad, auditable chain of custody you can trust. It's secure, compliant facilities right here in Houston. And maybe the most important piece, it's expertise in your specific industry. And that really brings us to the final big question. Is it time to turn what might be your biggest liability into your most secure asset? Because that's what we're talking about. Your records don't have to be a risk. With the right partner, they can become a secure, well-managed asset. The real question is, are you ready to make that shift? And that, right there, is how Roadrunner stands out as the expert partner for records management and relocation in Houston. Thank you so much for watching this explainer.